WCAA, the Inland Talk Express.
I don't know what you have got, girl. No, baby. Or just what you on my mind. I just know that you can do the things you do to me each and every single time. And I'm so in love with you, baby. Said I'm so in love with you, baby. You just say you need my love, girl. Nah, nah, and I'll be right there by your side. You don't have to be so particular with me, honey. I'm the one who's begging this time, 'cause I'm so in love with you, baby. Said I'm so in love with you, baby.
Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys. Hey, this is Joel Preach, and you guys are listening today to the Sounds of Chicago Stepping radio show. We're just going to be having a great time listening to great Chicago stepping music and any other, complimentary or associated genre. Because there's some Chicago stepping music that some may confuse to be R&B. Anyway, guys are tuned in today to the Sounds of Chicago Stepping. And this is our second segment. We were just on earlier with After 5, Regina, and we were talking about beats per minute. But today we're going to be moving it along here. And again, you guys, we're sponsored by California Steppers and Mental Illness Awareness Foundation. You can catch us every Friday, you guys, between 5 and 6 o'clock, 5 p.m. and 6 o'clock every Friday. And we're going to be playing your favorite Chicago stepping music and talking about this dance that we call Chicago stepping. Also going to be talking about the music and the community. We're going to also have some guests on from time to time, just kind of filling in the blanks and educating us regarding the dance, the music, and the community. And we'll have some influencers coming through and giving you their intel. And just looking forward to have a good time, just fellowshipping around some great oldies, some contemporaries, and just great music. All right, we call it Chicago stepping music, and so check us out every Friday. Every Friday, you guys, pass it on. Tell them you'll be hanging out with Joel Preach and Team California Steppers as we're educating the community, and we're just making some announcements, some PSAs, public service announcements about where you can find the next set. Talk to you guys about how you can get trained, okay? Because we have different training sites. Not me particularly, but there are training sites all over Southern California, and we just want to direct your attention to those different sites. But in the meanwhile, we're just going to be listening to some good old Chicago stepping music and just kind of educate you to the best of our ability on what's up, okay? You guys are tuned into Joel Preach, Sounds of Chicago Stepping, and my engineer and DJ Mike Cloud, and he's got another song on tap for us. What you got, DJ Mike Cloud? It's the next song on tap. Next song.
So the next song we're going to play is Cleo Soul.
Yes. All right.
In your arms, when I'm in your arms.
Okay, let's hear it. Listen up, you guys. Soul. I really can't say, I really can't pin her down on the genre of music that she's associated with, but that's a Chicago stepping beat, vibe, energy. You can step to that. And
Neo soul.
Neo Soul, you said that earlier. And give me, we know the artist. What's the name of the song?
When I'm in your arms.
When I'm in Your Arms. I'm telling you right now, there's no one sitting in anyone's arm when this song comes on. This certainly is, one that blazed the Chicago stepping dance floor. Floor heats up and it's packed out with male and female dancers. We're excited about this dance, man. So listen up, you guys. We have an event coming up, and it's all in dedication to mental health awareness. I had a brother that, you know, uh, didn't make it because of mental health, um, mental illness. And many of you all, I'm sure, in your families have experienced some of the results of mental illness. And so the month of May is the Green Month, you guys. It's the month that we have dedicated to mental health awareness. And so we're doing a great green bash, the big green party in Temecula at the Temecula Old Town Loft. And for more information, just give us a call, you guys. More information. But and you could also go to my website, Team California Steppers. Um, but Team California Steppers, we're dedicating the month of May to mental health awareness and seeing how we could participate in providing resources and some kind of assistance to those that are challenged with mental illness. But one of the ways that we could certainly get some therapy, though, is to get on the Chicago stepping dance floor. All right. And so stand by for flyers and more information regarding the big green party in Temecula. All right. We got another song on standby. DJ Mike Cloud, what you got?
Legacy. Best friend.
All right. I like that one too.
What y'all trying to do? I like this. Yeah.
Stop wanting you.
Sounds perfect.
I've been wanting you for many lifetimes now, and I'm so afraid to tell you how I really feel. You have been there for me. I was 13, you were 14, best friends for years. Where do I go from here? Oh, no. It's not the way that I feel. Every time I see you, I lose control. Just can't let it go, no. It's from you, how does it feel? Oh, I wonder, I'm so close to you, but I wanna get next to you. Oh, yeah. I don't know what to do. I can't stop wanting you. Hey, I'm in love with my best friend. It's tearing me apart.
Man, when you gonna hear a smooth song like that? I mean, next to Chicago stepping music, we know that jazz music, when you start getting older, you don't want all that heavy, hard, uh, rambunctious kind of music. You just want smooth and silky and, romantic, something that don't exert a lot of energy. But man, Chicago stepping music is one of a kind, guys. And if you ever want some therapy, if you ever want something soothing and something medicinal, Chicago stepping, the music. All right, so many of you may not know much about Joel Preach. They don't call me Joel Preach, without a reason, you guys. I'm a preacher, but I love music and I love to dance. And I was a dancer before I was a stepper, and so I added Chicago stepping to my dance. And you'll see that if you ever see me dance. I don't know if I'll ever do it live. We'll see. But I owe my experiences and this encounter with Chicago Stepping to a few notables in the Chicago Stepping community. And I'm gonna try to call a couple of names, starting off with Stepping B. Everybody know who Brian is. He helped to launch Chicago Stepping out here in Southern California, along with some others. But he was my first connect, as well as Denise Barrows. She does the awesome event every year, Harlem Nights. That's why I couldn't get it. She does the Harlem Nights event every year, and it's always over the top. And then one of my favorites is Angela Porter, who started me off as a partner with Team California Steppers. And she's doing Posh Steppers at this time in West Covina, but she's awesome. And so you have a few promoters out here in Southern California just trying to spread the love, trying to spread the Chicago Stepping love. And so that's where I came from, you guys. Chicago Stepping helped me through a divorce, helped me through some bad times, some down times, some depressing times. And man, Jesus is the center of my life. Don't get it twisted. But Chicago Stepping, man, it was quite a lifesaver for me. And encourage anyone to get involved with the music, get involved with the dance. And usually, when I turn 60, I'm like, what do I do now? I'm 60 years old. What am I gonna do now? I was in the ministry. I'm still in the ministry. I still run a theology school. But in terms of my pastime and entertainment, what do I do? And I got hooked on Chicago Stepping, and some people are kind of puzzled by it. But don't worry about it. I live in my own bubble. And as long as you see me smiling, having a good time, don't hate the love. Love the love. Okay. All right. So we got some more music for you, but be on standby every first Friday, you guys. Every first Friday in Baldwin Hills. Baldwin Hills, okay? The Baldwin Hill Mall. The Afro City Suite. I'm doing a first Friday set there every first Friday of the month. Okay. So we want you to participate in that. And then every Thursday, you guys, I'm right there at the Canyon Crest Winery. Canyon Crest, I don't promote wine. That's where we are. That's where we dance. The Canyon Crest Winery in Riverside. So you also want to be a part of that. And we're going to give you guys more details on all of these particulars and all of these announcements. But in the interim, you can certainly go and give us a call. Give us a call at 877-370-2447. That's 877-370-2447. Or go to teamcaliforniasteppers.com, or you can go to my Facebook at Team California Steppers, okay? And you're tuned in today, you guys, to the sounds of Chicago Stepping with Joel Preach, the sound of Chicago Stepping. Our DJ and engineer and technologist, I love this such a term, is my own son, Jeremy DJ Mike Cloud. And we're just playing some nice Chicago Stepping music and just, chiming in and chiming out and just giving you some announcements and bringing you up to speed on the dance, the music, the community, and we'll have guests. So stand by, we will have guests. We had DJ After 5 hanging out with us in our first segment. This is our second segment. So stand by. We will have some out of town guests and some locals and some promoters and some DJs. And this is going to be a nice program. Sounds of Chicago stepping. All right. DJ Mike Cloud, what else you have? Give us another.
Some Tony anniversary.
Yes. Let's do it. Chicago stepping. You can step off of this, y'all. You can step off of this.
Tomorrow will come and girl, I can't wait. It's our anniversary. Anniversary. The first thing I'll do is run straight to you. It's our anniversary. Anniversary. It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary. Yeah, anniversary. It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary. You and me. And I've only made plans to hold your little hand. It's our anniversary. Anniversary. The pleasure's all mine 'cause we have seen good times. It's our anniversary. Anniversary. Victoria won't be no secret at the end of the day. It's our anniversary. Anniversary. A small cup of tea that you can have me. It's our anniversary. All I really want to say, my darling, today is a special day. We call our own.
All right, you guys, that's Tony. It's our anniversary. Man, I'm telling you, you might say, Joel Preach, what is the distinction or what is the difference between Chicago stepping music and regular music? Well, you know, it speaks to the heart. Let me just say that. It speaks to the heart. It hits you where you live. It's soul music. And it's for grown folks. How about that? It's for grown folks. No, we're recruiting young people. We're recruiting young people. But members only will put you right at 40 years. 40 years. So the age group is between 40 and 80 years old, maybe even 100. But you got to have an old soul at 40, you know, to really appreciate Chicago stepping music. But we're evangelizing. We're reaching out. We're reaching out to the younger generation, and we're trying to get them to kind of slow their roll a little bit. You know, you could be rambunctious and really excited on certain kinds of music, but with this kind of music, Chicago stepping music, is just a chill music. It's romantic. It speaks to your heart. It makes sense. It makes sense. The lyrics make sense. The pace of it makes sense, and it's a couple's music, and it could be, you could be in a couple's bubble, or you could be in your own bubble and have a great appreciation for Chicago stepping music. All right, you guys. So that's Tony. It's our anniversary. What else you got there, Jeremy?
Shantae Moore, Love's Taking Over.
All right, let's hear what we got. Let's hear that. That sounds like a good one right there. Oh yeah. I'm tempted to get up right now and do some Chicago stepping, but I gotta maintain myself. Gotta maintain. Be right back. All right, all right. Man, they couldn't rip me off the floor on that song right there. They couldn't do it. You know, I go to these sets and I've learned to do a little Chicago stepping. I got a long ways to go, but I'm enjoying the experience. And a song like that, you know, they'll have to tear me off the floor. I will dance with everybody. That's the thing about Joel Preach. I'm telling you right now, I'm not prejudiced about dancing with anyone. It doesn't matter. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, you know. You come in all different shades, all different shapes, all different colors. It doesn't matter. That's the unifying element of this dance we call Chicago Step, and it brings people together regardless of their differences. It brings people together. I believe music got that dynamic ability to bring people from different backgrounds, nationalities, and ethnicities together and have a good time under the label of music. It's just a powerful thing. It's a powerful thing. And I always say that dance is the greatest form of celebration, but Chicago stepping, to me, is the greatest form of dance. All right. That being said, you guys, we got another one or two songs, and then we're going to give you a couple more announcements.
Got Daniel Moore, Halfway Love.
Halfway Love, I like that one. Uh-huh.
I'ma be honest with you, the very first time, cause I've been trying to protect you, I'm running out of line, so I'm gonna finally tell you how I feel inside, so you might wanna sit down. This could take me a little while, you've been arguing about my wandering eye. And the female friends who call me in the middle of the night. I haven't cheated, but I've been tempted at times. And that's what I want to explain. It's not that my love for you has changed, but when you're constantly nagging, I start drifting. And I want a halfway love. I wanna be free when I'm with you. I wanna go when I want, come when I want. That ain't fair to you. Halfway love. One foot in and one foot out. But I know you ain't never gonna go for that. No, baby. Ooh. Why do I need an alibi when I'm late coming home? How come your assumption?
Oh, man. I remember that one. I remember that. I saw 2016 Stephaganza in St. Louis. And it was about, I don't know, it must have been about 500 people on the dance floor. And I heard this song and I'm like, man, that's a beautiful song. Now the lyrics, you got, you know, if you listen to the lyrics, I mean, don't get turned off by the lyrics, you guys. In the end, it's a good story. It's a good story in the end. We do have to pay attention to the lyrics, but really appreciate the tempo of the song and the guy singing from his heart and the transparency of his heart. And but she ain't going for it. She ain't going for you being halfway. You know, you gotta come all together, you know, 100% or nothing, you know. And so he's singing about that. So it's, you know, for me, it's not that, you know, it's not that harmful. It's not that harmful. Okay, so again, you're tuned into the sounds of Chicago stepping music show with Joel Preach, and we have our engineer and DJ Mike Cloud. You know, see the play on words right there. It's McLeod. It's my son Jeremy, and we're going to be hitting you up every Friday, you guys, between 5 and 6 o'clock. between 5 and 6 when you're getting ready to go out and enjoy yourself. Hopefully, you'll be coming to my first Friday event, and you're just getting yourself together, and you just want to hear what's going on in the community here in Southern California, or you just want to try to get musically jazzed up to hit the floor running when you get to the spot. All right. As grown folks, we don't go clubbing. Clubbing, that's for young people. I mean, we don't go clubbing. We don't go partying. We go to the set. We go to the set and we just enjoy ourselves as grown people at being classy, being sophisticated, and being adults and being civil. Okay. We're being civil, grown folks enjoying life. Okay. Because life will spin out of here in short order, and you better enjoy it while you're in this window. Enjoy it, maximize these moments, live today as though there's no tomorrow, but invest in tomorrow, you guys, as though you're going to live forever. All right, you're listening today to the sounds of Chicago stepping music with Joel Preach, and we have a few announcements coming up after our next song. Give us something. What about that Brandy song? Do we still have that on tap? Now, this is an R&B song, but it's a steppable song, guys. I venture to say it's a steppable song. So we're going to showcase it today, and I hope it pleases your ear gates as we bring Brandy. And what's she saying? I forget. What is she saying?
Baby, baby, baby.
Baby, that's it. This is steppable. I would step right now, but kind of out of order. Man, Brandy was hitting hard on that one. I think that was in the 90s, Jerm. I think that was in the 90s.
Definitely 90s classic.
90s. She was over there with Monica and all those groups back then. That was really nice. I really have a better appreciation for it now that I'm in my 60s. Brandy's like, baby, baby, baby. It's steppable, you guys. If somebody opposes that, let me know. But I think that's a steppable song. Okay, let me see. So you guys are tuned in to Sounds of Chicago Stepping Music with Joel Preach, and we have our maestro on the ones and twos, DJ Mike Cloud, and standby. We had Regina with us. Regina, she'll be hanging out after 5. She'll be hanging out, and I'm gonna try to get Kamal and Big Mike and some of the others to come on and hang out with us. DJ Leon, try to get them all to come on. I got DJ Tommy. I didn't know Tommy, from the what is it, the Texas Boys. He told me he's been DJing for over 37 years. I got to get him on the show, and we're just going to talk about this music, and talk about this community, all the good things going on, and the growth of the community, and how we are just infecting so many different communities. But in the meanwhile, you guys, we're sponsored by California Steppers Mental Illness Awareness Foundation. California Steppers Mental Illness Awareness Foundation. Also, we're sponsored by Stepping in Cali magazine. The Stepping in Cali magazine. That's a magazine that I authored and published. Stepping in Cali magazine. Stand by for the movie. We do have a movie on tap, so stand by. But you're tuned in today to KCAA 1050 on your AM dial. You can also catch us on 106.5 AM, FM, 106.5 FM. You guys give us a chance, give us that percentage of error, because we're going to need that percentage of error as we are getting acclimated to radio programming. All right. So yeah, what we're doing, we're just playing your favorite Chicago stepping music and talking about the dance, the music, and the community with guests from all around the world, guests and influencers that are in the Chicago stepping community. So stand by. We'll be back at you. So just hang out with us. You give us a call, you guys. And just tell us how we're doing on our debut. 877-370-2447. Again, that's 877 is toll free. 370 is the prefix. 2447. Or you can go to teamcaliforniasteppers.com. That's teamcaliforniasteppers.com. Or you go to our Facebook, and that is Facebook Team California Steppers. Facebook Team California Steppers. And so we're bringing it to you guys so you can get more acclimated to this awesome dance and this community of Chicago stepping. What else we got, Jeremy? We got one more, and then we got to close it out.
BB and CeCe Winans, Addicted Love.
All right, let's do it. A good mix right here, some little gospel that's steppable music.
I agree.
Yes, steppable music. BB and CeCe. Bring it up, bring it up. Yeah. Man. So you didn't know you could step to BB and CeCe, but they got the right beat, the right pizzazz, whatever you want to call it, the right swag in the music, man. It's steppable music. I throw my, I endorse. I throw my cosign in there, man. 'Cause, that is beautiful. Not only is the music on point, you guys, but what they're saying also is medicine to the soul. It's edifying. It builds up. It encourages. Music is a powerful, powerful instrument, man. Powerful earthly device that we could use to help us when we're down, to bring people together, and mainly, you guys, to celebrate. You know, they celebrated all through the Bible. They celebrated, Miriam celebrated, David celebrated, Saul celebrated. Saul celebrated. David celebrated till his clothes came off of him. He was so rambunctious with his celebration. So music and dance, they come together quite well, you guys. Celebrate the time that you had on planet Earth, um, because none of it is mandatory. None of it is inevitable. So thanks for hanging out with us, man. We're here at Sounds of Chicago Stepping Music, and we're here every Friday between 5 and 7, and we're just gonna fill in with some music, and we'll be back next week. All right. Give us a call. 877 is the toll-free number. Let us know how we're doing. 370-2447. That's 877-370-2447. Or go to our Facebook, Team California Steppers, Team California Steppers, or go to our website at teamcaliforniasteppers.com. We're just enjoying ourselves, man, enjoying this music, enjoying the dance, and we want to make you more familiar with the dance, with the music, and with the community. So continue to hang out with us. You want to learn how to dance Chicago stepping style? You go to YouTube. You can check it out on YouTube, or hang out with us, and we'll direct you to some of the hubs and some of the various locations that you can go and practice. All right, and be instructed, because you have instructors. You got private instructors. You got locations where they train multiple people at a time. So it's an awesome dance. We want to just bring some more attention to Chicago stepping. So hang out with us. It's all about the dance, the music, the community. We're going to close out this time. We want to applaud DJ Mike Cloud. And we're going to applaud a little something for Joel Preach, just taking the bull by the horn, doing the thing. I'm a doer, you guys. I'm a doer. I'm not just a talker. I'm a doer. And so I'm glad to have you guys on board. Hang out with us next time we come together next Friday at 5 o'clock. In the meanwhile, I'll be celebrating my birthday. I'm going to celebrate it this Friday, May 5th. I'll be celebrating it in Los Angeles. I want you guys to come on out and celebrate Joel Preach's birthday at the Baldwin Hill Mall. It's called Afro City, the Afro City Suite. And we're going to populate that thing and just have a great time dancing around some Chicago stepping music. For more information regarding this Friday and regarding the Big Green Party in Temecula on the 19th, give me a call. You can reach me at 877-370-2447. That's 877-370-2447. So until the next time, you guys, remember, man, dancing is the greatest form of celebration, and Chicago stepping is the greatest form of dance. All right. Till next time, Joel Preach and DJ Mike Cloud signing off. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. All right. So till next time.
You are listening to DJ Mike Cloud.
No, baby, or just what keeps you on my mind. I just know that you can do the things you do to me each and every single time. And I'm so
All right, you guys. If you guys are Old school, new school, it doesn't matter. When you hear great music, man, it just does something electrifying to you on the inside. This is Joel Preach, you guys, and you're tuned in today to the Sounds of Chicago Steppin' radio show. And we have hanging out with us after 5, Miss Regina, and
What's
also
happening?
DJ Mike Loud on the engineering, making sure everything is tight. And this is sponsored by California Steppers and Mental Illness Awareness Foundation. We're on every Friday, you guys, every Friday between 5 and 6 o'clock. So tell a friend, okay, tell a friend that the Sounds of Chicago Steppin' is here in Southern California. And we're just going to be giving you guys various announcements of what's going on in the stepping world. And listen, this is our pieces, you guys. We're playing your favorite Chicago stepping music and talking about the dance, the music, and the community of Chicago stepping with all different, a variety of guests and influencers, Chicago stepping influencers, dance influencers, music influencers around the country. So you stopped by at the right place today, this Friday night, as you get ready to get your Friday night in full swing, you guys. We want you to settle in on some really good music. We do old school. We're gonna do the Chicago stepping sound, some R&B. So hang out with Sounds of Chicago Stepping for this next hour. All right, here's a good song. We opened up with it, you guys. Just appreciate this for a moment. We're gonna be listening. We're just gonna advice, let us know what's up, and then we're gonna be hearing all throughout from DJ Mike Cloud. Okay, all right, hang out.
Do the things you do to me each and every single time, and I'm so in love with you, baby. Said I'm so in love with you, baby. You just say you need my love, girl. Nah, nah, and I'll be right there by your side.
Yeah, man. Man, if that doesn't get you stirred up on the inside, I don't know what. Hey, DJ Mike Cloud, who's singing there? Who's the singer there?
Said I'm so in love with you, baby.
All right,
That's
Regina.
Mr.
So
That's
that
Mr.
artist was
Leroy Hudson.
definitely Leroy Hudson.
Okay.
So in love with you.
Uh-huh.
Leroy Hudson, so in love with you.
So we have Regina, DJ After 5. She's a little bit more experienced than myself. And so, who's that?
Leroy Hudson.
And the name of it? That's what we want. We
I'm
want to.
so in love with you.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
want to educate our audience because they probably, I don't know if they've heard this kind of music before. And so we just want to educate our audience as they're tuning in. So we're gonna play the music, and we're gonna also give you guys, what's going on in the community. Okay, there is a Chicago stepping community, but as far as my priorities are concerned, you guys, for this Sounds of Chicago Stepping show, is we want to know about this dance. We want to know about this dance, and then we want to find out a little bit more about the music piece, the genre of dance. Of course, there's a variety. There's a variety, and we'll have different ones, different guests to come in, and there are those that are going to be a little bit biased in terms of what they feel is real Chicago music, Chicago stepping music. And so there'll be a little controversy, but in the end, we're all going to take something good away on the sounds of Chicago stepping. So, but we do have a first Friday night, you guys. As a promoter, we try to get people trained to know how to do this dance. So if you've never Chicago stepped before, there are classes all around the country, but more specifically in Southern California, we're going to be leading you and pointing the direction to where the various classes are going on. So from an intermediate level or beginner's level, or an advanced level where you can learn this dance. You could learn more about this dance, okay? So we're gonna look at the dance. Of course, for me, that's the priority. I got attracted to Chicago stepping, particularly because of the dance. Chicago stepping dancing, right? And then I began to learn about the music. The music is so great. Then we're learning more about the community. Here's another hit. What we're listening to. We're listening to you guys.
This is Cleo Soul, When I'm in Your Arms.
Right, all right.
Cleo Soul, When I'm in Your Arms.
That's it?
Are you sure?
Okay, I haven't heard that beginning of that intro. Usually
Okay.
when I hear it starts right where it is now.
Uh-huh. All right. I'll give you the sound bites after this song, Regina. Talk to my audience. Like that. This one was good. One of my favorites.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people love this song.
Very.
I'm not playing by the rules. They can't take.
You're listening to KCAA, your good neighbor along the way.
Car Recycling in Fontana reminds all drivers when you take to the road, remember those 3 C's of safety. That's caution, courtesy, and above all, a little common sense. Safe and sober driving is everyone's responsibility.